Good day, my name is Mark Mulwar. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Joshua Tree that are dealing with the corporate formation structures and a limited liability company structure formation. So I thought it helpful to go over a couple of points that I like to discuss in my consultations with clients to help you out if you're considering forming one of those entities for your business. The first issue that we have to talk about is personal liability protection. The next is taxation or taxation benefits depending on the entity you have. From a personal liability perspective, both function similarly. They protect the individual from personal liability except in the cases of active fraud or deceit. The only exception to that is with an LLC. If you have a judgment creditor that is coming after you, already has a judgment, they can attach stock certificates if you're a stockholder in a corporation. Whereas with the membership shares in an LLC, they cannot attach the actual shares. They have to wait till the LLC makes a distribution to the membership shareholder. And if the LLC is for purposes of holding property and never makes a distribution, there's really nothing that the judgment creditor can do with that. Secondarily, we talk about taxation. When we look at taxation, it depends from an LLC perspective on how your tax preparer or accountant elects to tax the LLC, whether it's at a corporate or a partnership taxation level. From a corporate entity, it depends on the type of structure you have, whether it's a C corporation or S corporation. A C corporation is taxed twice, and an S corporation is taxed singularly. A C corporation, when I say it's taxed twice, meaning the income flows through to the corporation's taxed on that income, then it flows through to the shareholder, and the shareholder is taxed at its rate on that income derived from the corporate entity. From a S corporation standpoint, it's taxed much like a partnership. The income flows through the corporation, goes through to the shareholder, and the shareholder files that income on a K-1 form with its 1040. So you have those distinctions. There are a couple of others. In an S corporation, you're limited to 500 shareholders or less. You can't be a corporate shareholder in an S corporation, and those limitations aren't part of C corporation status. Those are some of the issues I think that are important in a broad brushstroke way to cover. If you have some questions about forming your own entity for your own business, feel free to give us a call and set up an appointment. I'd be happy to speak with you.